everyone, so let's move towards our today's topic, which is
development of liver and development of pancreas as well as development of gallbladder. Now we know that, and before starting this lecture I would recommend you to please watch that lecture of development of foregut, because development of foregut will help you to understand this topic easily. So first of all, what happened in the development of foregut? We know that stomach, esophagus, then stomach, then duodenum will form, then the last part, the distal part of the foregut will develop an outgrowth. Okay, and that outgrowth is called as hepatic diverticulum. This hepatic diverticulum will form liver. Okay, so that hepatic diverticulum consists of hepatic progenitor cells. These hepatic progenitor cells will grow rapidly and they will form the liver cells, that is called as hepatocyte. Okay, so in this lecture there are not much there is not much conceptual, this is not much conceptual topic, but this is like आपको सिर्फ इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स याद रखने हैं, ये वाली गेम है, ठीक है ना. तो हेपेटोसाइट्स बनते, देन द हेपेटिक डायवर्टिकुलम विल ग्रो फर्दर. Okay, so this whole thing is happening in the late 4th week of development. Okay, so what happened, the hepatic diverticulum will grow further and they will divide into two parts, the caudal part and the cranial part. The larger cranial part will form the liver, and the smaller caudal part will form gallbladder. Okay, now we know that gallbladder will form cystic duct and ducts भी arise होंगी. Okay, so what happened during 5th to 10th week, the development of liver will be very rapid. Okay, and during this development, remember that thing that initially the right and the left lobe of liver are of same size, but after the growth, after development, the right lobe of the liver will become larger. Okay, the hematopoiesis, the formation of blood cells in the fetus will be in liver in 6th week, and the formation of bile will be in 12th week. Okay, remember these weeks as well. One more important thing is that the bile duct is initially on the ventral side, that is on anterior side, but due to the rotation of duodenum, that bile duct will move towards the posterior, that is dorsal side. Okay, and the last most important thing is falciform ligament and lesser omentum. Lesser omentum, we know that it attaches the lesser curvature of the stomach and the intestine, and falciform ligament is also the ligament of liver. So they both will form by ventral mesentery. Okay, remember this point. So this was the short topic of development of liver. Now if I talk about development of pancreas, so that will form by ventral and dorsal pancreatic pancreatic bud. Okay, that are the outgrowths at the distal end of the foregut. Okay, so जहाँ पे duodenum जो है वो एंड होता है फोरगट के पार्ट का, तो वहीं पर ये आउटग्रोथ बनती हैं जो एक लिवर बनाती है और हेपेटिक डायवर्टिकुलम जिसे कहते हैं, एंड देन वेंट्रल एंड डोर्सल pancreatic bud will be formed. Okay, the ventral pancreatic bud will form the entrance of bile duct. Okay, and obviously bile duct will also form by some part of liver as well. But if I talk about the fusion, so basically वेंट्रल और डॉर्सल पैनक्रियाटिक बर्ड फ्यूज़ होंगे. अच्छा, जब वो फ्यूज़ होंगे तो वो सिंगल बाइल डक बना लेंगे, सिंगल डक बना लेंगे, जिसे हम कॉमन हेपेटिक डक भी कहते हैं. फिर वो ऑब्वियसली एम्पुला ऑफ वेटर के थ्रू, डॉर्सल मेजर पेपिला के थ्रू, फिर वो ड्यूडेनम में एंटर होता है, सेकेंड पार्ट ऑफ ड्यूडेनम में. बट द पॉइंट इज़ कि ये दोनों पैनक्रियाटिक डक्ट और बाइल डक्ट यूनाइट होते हैं. Now if I talk about the further topic, the pancreatic duct arises from duct of ventral and the dorsal bud. Basically what happened, the ventral and the dorsal bud consist of duct. That duct, okay, that duct will form pancreatic duct. Okay, so ventral bud और dorsal bud दोनों के पास duct होती हैं. जो dorsal bud है ना, ठीक है, डॉर्सल पैनक्रियाटिक बर्ड है, उसकी जो डक्ट है, उसका जो प्रॉक्सिमल पार्ट है that will form the accessory pancreatic duct. So in other words, the proximal part of the duct of dorsal bud will develop into accessory pancreatic duct. And obviously we know that pancreas consists of islets of Langerhans, in which alpha cell, beta cell, delta cells are present. So beta cell will further develop and they will secrete insulin at 10th week. So insulin secretion will begin at 10th week of fetal development. So this was the whole topic regarding the development of liver and pancreas. Till then, work hard, study hard, and good luck. Wish you all the very best. Thank you.